Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change a screen lock on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to change your screen lock provides enhanced security, privacy, and customization options for your device, ensuring that your personal information remains protected and accessible only to you. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, and then you can scroll down. After that, select security and privacy option. Okay, so here, tap on lock screen option, and then you can select the first one. So, there are 4 screen lock options. First, there's a PIN. Enter at least 4 digits for the PIN. And confirm. So, for the next method, there is a password. Here, you can enter at least 4 characters. And confirm the previous password. Then, the third option is a pattern. Here, create please a pattern with at least 4 connected dots, then confirm. Okay, next, the following option is swipe, where you can unlock the screen by simply swiping the screen. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change a screen lock on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.